Welcome to First Time Central Heating Grants, and what good news we have for you today. If you are searching for a free or grant-funded new First Time Central Heating system, then look no further. We've supported tens of thousands of people since the Eco Grant started in 2013, and we are keen to support you today. The government's Eco3 grant funding was launched in 2018 and is packed with new ways in which you can receive a first-time central heating system. If you receive one of the 16 qualifying benefits and you currently heat your property by electric, LPG, coal or wood, then it is likely that you already qualify. Please check though, because if you heat your property with a gas or oil boiler or warm air blow system, then your property would not be eligible. Click on the Proceed to Application button just below or elsewhere in this website and we can get started. First-time central heating grants are available across England, Scotland and Wales. If you are looking for a new first-time central heating system, then there is simply no better place for you to apply than First-time Central Heating Grants. Thank you for the opportunity of supporting you with your new first-time central heating system.